I want you to read it, baby, hoping that you understand. I said, baby, honey, please don't dog me around, because I'd rather love you, woman, honey, than anyone else I know in town. Because you are so nice and loving, and you have such pleasing ways. If you take me to your heart, I'll be there the rest of my days. I said, baby, that's the truth. Honey, I declare I wouldn't lie, because I'd rather love you, baby. If I don't, I swear I hope to die. I said, baby, don't you want a man like me? Can you hear me, woman? Don't you want a man like me? You just think about our future, baby, and you forget about you used to be. Hey, now. Yeah. All When my days are long and dreary and the sun refused to shine, I would never be blue and lonely, woman, if I knew that you were mine. That's the truth, baby. You can make everything all right. Can I see you today, baby? Will it have to be tomorrow night? Yes, this is my confession, baby, and I'm thrilled by all your charms. It seemed like I'm in heaven when I hold you in my arms, baby. Woman, you can help me for yourself. You know I was meant for you, baby, and I don't want nobody else. No, I don't. From the start, you said that we would be together until death do us apart, but you lied to me, baby. Yes, and you called it all in God. Now how can I be happy, woman, with all the wrong you've done? Now must I keep confessing, baby, when you know just where I stand? I don't want to lose you, woman, want to keep you if I can. But baby, you know I've never had a friend.